daring and go into the waters of the Caribbean Sea, where the pirates used to take over. Arr. They used to drink the rum and pillage island to island. But over here were the Mayans. There's Joe fighting the waters of the Caribbean. He made it through to the other side. It's a beautiful day. I got 2 more days, then heading back home. Then the tears will roll and buckets will be filled. Hey Joe, an Ultramar pulled up. Remember we were on one of those, where'd we go to? Was it Cozumel?
Isla and Cozumel.
That round ferry out there is for cargo and vehicles. Hello everyone, we're on the ferry here. We're going to go to Isla Mujeres here. It's 5:30 p.m. I think the ferry ride is just under 30 minutes. The island is back there somewhere. And the rooftop is always nice. Get a nice breeze, get some sun. If you got motion sickness, you get less of it up here. Down below it is air conditioned and also nice. Let's flip the camera to the island. Let's see. There it is. Just across the water there from Cancun. Ooh, what happened? I lost it. Oh, there it is. Then here's the ferry right here up on top. It's always nice to be on top. Reporting from Cancun, Johnny Anton.
Isla and Cozumel.
Isla and Cozumel. Yeah, up on the top deck. They play music up there. Those guys are pretty darn good.
Gracias, amigo.
Guys are pretty darn good.
Yeah.
We watched them.
Good.
Yep. Then what down below, it was air conditioned. There's a coffee bar. What else was there?
Chips and snacks.
Chips and snacks. Air conditioned.
Cerveza if you want.
Cerveza if you want it. Coconuts over there on the other side of what was it?
That was on the east side.
Was that on Cozumel? That was in Cozumel, right?
Yeah, east side of Cozumel.
East side of Cozumel. Let's see, we got some cruise ships over there in the distance. Whoa. Those are cruise ships over there. Then over here to the left we have some buildings. I don't know if I can see them. Oh, a little foggy way out there, but those cruise ships are bigger than all the buildings over there. They look like a city.
9,000 people on one ship.
Is it? Wow.
Including crew.
I'm gonna have to get a telephoto lens the next time we can look at the curvature of the planet. There's a third ferry. Now we don't know the name of this one. It's new, because I know this one here. Got the name of it. Windjet, because I can read it from here. Then you got the Ultramar, and this one here, I don't see a name on it. They're heading out to Cozumel. We got an Ultramar going there in the distance. Then over here on the 45th yard line, we have. Let's see if it's on the back of the boat. Oh man, I go out of whack. I can't see. He's gunning it. He wants to beat that Ultramar. I don't know if he can catch up to it. Nope, I don't think so. Let's zoom in and do some Sneaky John video cam here. Let's see. What do we got here? The ferry station.
People getting off.
People in the waters. No scuba divers. There you go. If you win the lottery or you work your ass off and save every penny, you could buy a couple $100,000 boat. Couple $100,000 boat like that. What do you think, Joe? What do you think that thing would be worth?
Probably more than that.
More than that. I have to live on it.
It's small from here, but it's got sleeping quarters in it.
You name it. Okay folks, we're gonna try the restaurant where the horse is. We used to eat at his dad's place that was on over there by the ferry station. The restaurant with the horses is closed down. The fella said that the owner died of COVID, during COVID. But his son opened up a new place down the street. And we're finally gonna try this place here. It's over here. Let's see, it has a big M on it. I don't know what the name of the place is. We'll find out tonight.
Mexico and me.
Oh yeah, perfect, perfecto. Go Johnny, go, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna talk over it so the YouTube don't bump it. Let's show over here, we're up on the second floor. There are the horsies there. And this is his son's restaurant that used to be by the ferry station. The dad owned it. Now the son moved it over here. Look at that staircase, the wrought iron. That's very cool. I'm digging it. I'm looking for a rod iron maker, a blacksmith. If anybody knows one, send them my way. I know he's going to be in Merida because I haven't found one here, because that's a colonial town. A colonial city, Merida. What do they got going on over there on the other side? And the roof bar. Let's do some sneaky Johnny Cam over here. Nothing yet. The night is young. What day of the week is it, people? Wednesday? There's the horse's heads. I left the horse's head in his bed. Don't worry, boss.
I saw some more
Look at
purple
the
lights
men.
up there. I don't know if there's
The
more
toilet sign over here for the men.
Restaurant. Oh no, there's a men's right there. Women's is
For all you deer hunters. Yeah.
Joe's gonna investigate.
Joe's gonna check it out and see if there's any deer in there. Uh-oh. Joe's gonna sneak up on the roof. Hey man, the bathroom ain't up there, homie.
What?
It's the same.
What does Joe think he's gonna leave me down here in the dust? He's over here exploring. Johnny Anton Adventures wants to explore too. Oh, they got another floor over here. You got another floor, Joe.
Look at how deep it is.
Very nice. Yeah, it's huge. You got another floor up here. It's very nice. Very cool. I like the breeze. Oh, Viva la Mexico! Ah, that's what I want in my living room right there. Give me that here. Let me come and buy it off these people. They're gonna want it. It's best of. Is this where they have all the fiestas? Man, Joe, this is what I want in my living room. Right here, some cool mural. Is it made out of tile? Is it ceramic tile? Oh my God, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have some ceramic guy paint it on the tile.
Check out the courtyard.
Oh, dude, is this finally get to see a courtyard? It's not quite the one I wanted to see, but yeah, let's see what's in the back. Fifth Avenue. Oh man. Behind Fifth Avenue, you never really see what's going on. But I always knew there was courtyards back here between 5th and the beach, because these blocks are so long. You know there's something back here. But I'm gonna check out the murals again. What's the frame made out of? Wood? You know what? I think that's.
Each tile.
I think that is a cement molded frame.
Each tile is individual.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how I want it. That's how I want it to be.
That's cool.
I like that one too. Yeah. I have to put a fountain in front of the house, maybe too.
Church. That's the church.
Yep. So nice, so nice. See? You get to explore with Johnny Anton Adventures. You get to see something you would never see in your life. We take you places you never go. Like the one with the guitar guy. Hey, and he's singing to the girl. It's fantastic, Romeo and Juliet, but Mexicano style. Now back to the table. Yo, people. Hey, check it out. I just noticed. Over here across the street, look what it says on this sign here. It's the new bowling alley. I believe it's the only bowling alley in Playa del Carmen. We're gonna have to check that out one night and see. The guys, when we walked by, he said they have 6 alleys. Wow. Bowling for dollars. Mexicali. Here is the menu. What do we got here? Chips?
We got chips and we
Tortillas.
got tortillas. Pico.
Pico.
Gallo. We got a guacamole hot sauce. And then we got a habanero, very, very hot sauce. And then we've got a melted, ooh, that's hot, fire roasted cheese. And he's making guacamole. And these are for the cheese, I believe. So let's see. I'll pull a piece and try it. We can all try it.
Tortilla.
It's a very hot tortilla. I'll be the first one. I'm taking a scoop.
Table crafted guacamole served at our table in a lava rock. Amazing. All the Mayan shaman are here. Must be the head cheese because he's wearing the skull.
Chimichanga,
Oh,
right?
chimichanga. Beef chimichanga.
Look at the size of Joe's chimichanga. Holy smokes, look at that thing.
Joe, you have a big chimichanga.
Yeah.
I got the chicken enchiladas with Ferry sauce.
Oh,
with the
wow.
green sauce.
Yeah.
I got that too. I know.
The pretty little hearts.
Lisa
on
got that too. It's not here yet. And I got the, let's see, tacos de pescado a la parrilla.
Still not American. It's not like
I can't figure it out. Use a translator.
Oh, here it
All
comes.
right.
Here comes entertainment.
it. That's that smell. Like, what about my food?
Kids would be scared of that.
This poor guy. Funny.
Muévete como gitana. Muévete como gitana. Muévete como gitana.
Here's the bowling alley in Playa. You got 6 lanes. It's pretty cool. There you go. Get your shoes over here. We're walking home. Calling it a night.